Direct access versus progressive access. UK motorcycle licence explained simply. Okay, so here we're going to try and clear up some of the confusion around the UK motorcycle licensing. I've done a previous video regarding CBT and the normal steps to obtain in your full license. In this one, as promised, we're going to do the difference between direct access and progressive access. Part 1, CBT. First off, CBT is compulsory basic training. It's a one-day course designed to teach you how to control your bike in a controlled environment before going out on the road with an instructor. Consider it your learner's permit. It means you can ride a 125 on L plates, but unfortunately it means you cannot go on the motorway and you cannot ride with pillion passengers. Part 2, what is progressive access? Progressive access means that you step up gradually depending on your age and experience on your bike. A1 licence. At the age of 17, if you complete your A1 licence, you can ride a 125 with no L plates. You must complete your theory test and your A1 test. A2 licence. From the age of 19, once you've completed your theory and your test, you can ride up to a 47 brake horsepower machine. This is the equivalent of a R7, for example. After 2 years on your A2 licence, you can automatically upgrade to a full A licence, but you must complete another test before doing so. So progressive access is a stepping stone process. Gain experience, level up and do it again. Pass the tests and get your A licence. Part 3, what is direct access? Direct access, or officially called Direct Access Scheme or DAS, skips all of these previous steps, but you must be 24 years old to do it. Here's how it works. So first you do your CBT. Next you pass your theory test. Once you've completed your theory test, you can then go straight into doing your Mod 1 training and test. Once this is completed, you move straight into your Mod 2, complete your training and test, and boom, you have your full A licence at the age of 24. You can complete this in just a few days. Once completed your direct access, as I mentioned, you have your A licence. That means you can go out and buy whatever you want, a big Harley Davidson, something like this, a Fireblade, whatever it is you desire. Part 4, which route is best for you? So if you're under the age of 24, unfortunately you don't get a choice, you have to do progressive access. Progressive access takes longer to achieve, but it does give you more real-world experience before you jump up onto a bigger bike. Direct access is great if you're 24 years of age and you want a quicker route onto a much bigger bike. Just bear in mind that you won't have the real-world experience, but if you're confident, then why not go straight for it? Either way, neither of these are easy to achieve. If you want it, you've got to earn it, but once you get it, you can enjoy the freedom of full-time motorcycling on any bike of your dreams. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I reply to everyone. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. It'll help me build my channel. Share with your friends if they need this information. I will put all the links and costings down below. Thanks guys, have a great day. So starting point, as I mentioned in other videos, it basically aims on your age, and oh, that's crap. One day course, yeah, okay. I'm here to work, no, that's crap.